Hi, my name's Mal Christensen, and this is my first time on YouTube. I wanted to talk to you about some ideas that may interest the scientific or not so scientific, but let's give it a try. The first thing I wanted to talk to you about, or just an idea, it's just one of many, is a possible alternative to digital processing. An alternative that should carry a lot more data in the same amount of RAM and an infinitely large number of or amount of information could be carried theoretically based on this idea. And it's based on an idea about the human genome, and thinking about ways to take this idea into computing. The human genome consists of approximately 3 by 10 to the 9 DNA bases composed of 4 base molecules called A, G, C and T. Amazingly small number, 3 by 10 to the 9. It's about 3 gigabit. And yet all of the information that's required to build us is supposed to be there. It just doesn't seem right. Current DNA theory indicates that the code for all living systems exists in the physical arrangement of these bases. 3 by 10 to the 9 physical bases in one living cell. And it's the first cell that the information comes from. The whole history of our ancestors, the plans for all of us, apparently the plans for us in the minute detail through the whole of our lives. Possibly our likes and dislikes, our mannerisms, our behaviour are all recorded, or apparently recorded, in these 3 by 10 to the 9 bases. I just think that that's just an extraordinary low number to be able to capture that information. So the theory has at least two problems. The first one is that the model's too small, far too small to account for all the information transferred between generations. But the theory has another problem, and that is that the model doesn't meet the minimum requirements of an operating system because it doesn't change state, except very slowly during cell reproduction. Therefore, the bit value for each base is 1, not the minimum requirement of 2. So, how to consider a way of making that system work, because it does work, no doubt about that, we're all here. One potential solution, and I think a good one, is to increase the bit value of the DNA bases from 1 to a larger number, hopefully a very large number. A number tending towards infinity would be nice, so that each base could carry not just 1 or 2, 0 and 1 like an ordinary computer, but a value between 0 and infinity, any value, and a constantly changing value. A simple solution to this problem is to consider the possibility of frequency as the bit carrier value. Frequency has the potential to increase the bit value towards infinity. Frequency may take the form of electromagnetic energy resonating on the crystalline form of the DNA bases. The DNA bases are crystalline, and therefore have the potential to resonate, and there is certainly energy available in the system to do that. Such a model would vastly increase the potential for the genome model to carry a huge volume of information in a tiny volume of RAM.